Hello students and parents. In this video lesson, I will be going over our math lesson from earlier today. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, please put your date at the top. Today is the 12th. But if you're doing this on a different day, then please put the date in which you do it. Then let's separate our page into 4 different parts. So 2 across and 1 down the middle. So what we're going to be focusing on for this lesson, we're actually going over 2 lessons. One where we're going to be building numbers with tens and ones, and then expanding numbers from standard form into expanded form. So standard form is when numbers are seen like this, 11 to 12, 20, 20, like regular numbers like this. Expanded form means with words. We stretch out that number. Okay, so for the top here, let's go ahead and set it up. So what we're going to do is we're going to have 2 boxes, and that's where we're going to write our standard form for numbers. Then we're going to write out in expanded form what that number is, how many tens it is, and how many ones it is. That makes up that number. Okay, so for our first number, let's go with 85. And for our second number, let's do 37. Okay, so that's for the first 2. Okay, for the next 2, 3, and 4, this is where we're going to be building with tens and ones blocks to create numbers, okay, because that's what we're doing, finding out different ways that we can represent those numbers in standard form. So what I want you to do is to create a T-chart on both sides, and this one's going to be called tens. This one is ones. It can also be known as a T or an O for tens and ones. Same thing. So the tens are going to be on this side and the ones are going to be on that side. Then underneath that, we're going to create an addition sentence where we will put whatever numbers we have here into here. And then our final answer will go in the box. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with an example one, which will be, let's look at, so I'm going to go ahead and put down, let's see, I'm going to represent the number, let's do 21. Okay, so you need to create 21 in tens and ones and then write out how that should look here. Okay, so for tens and ones, you're going to be, okay, for 21, I can make, here, split it in half. So I can make 21 by doing 2 tens and 1 ones. Okay, how else could you make 21? Well, I can do 1 10, and then I can do 10 of the ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then add 1 more, 11, because this would equal 21. So then you have 2 different ways to create that number, and then you're going to add it all together. So, because this is by 10, 20, 1, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can pick how you want to put it into your addition sentence. You can do 20 plus 1, or you could put 10 plus 11 equals 21, just like that. And then that's what you're going to do on this side. So for your number for over here, let's do 63. Okay, and it needs to look something, so you have to find 2 different ways to make 63 and then write it out in an addition sentence to make sure that it adds up. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. This is for topic 8, lessons 5 and 6. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message on Dojo, let me know, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.